Check out this beautiful old pallet built bar that Laura and I made over 6 years ago. In fact, it was April 2018 when Laura and I first became the brand ambassadors to Frenchic Paint. And this was the first prop and video we built and actually painted for them. And it's a bit of a testament really to the quality of Frenchic Paint, because just look at it along there. This has been exposed to the elements for over 6 years. So be it, we have changed the top on here. It was an OSB board and we knew that was only a quick fix for a couple of years, so I've put some new pieces of timber across the top. But all it needs now is a quick clean up and a touch up, because it's getting donated to our daughter Nellie's school. So I'm going to start by using a wire wool brush, scraping across the surface of the paintwork. This paint is still in good solid nick. There's only a few areas where it's become flaky, close to the bottom where it's been sitting on the floor. Make sure the surface is dry and dust free before repainting. Now I'm going to be spray painting my slats, but the top surface I will be applying a wax on there. So I'm going to protect it to start with by placing polythene across the top and taping all 4 edges down. Now it's covered and ready to start repainting my bar. As for applying the paint, I'm going to use a handheld paint sprayer for speed. It's quick and easy to do. The colour I've chose is Wise Old Sage, and it's from Frenchic's Alfresco range, so it's perfect for indoors and outdoors. When using a paint sprayer, you will have to dilute the paint down by about 10%. So once this first layer is complete, I'll do a second coat on it, let that dry, and then do a third coat, this time spraying from left to right. As with most projects outside, the more coats the better. Three layers of Alfresco Wise Old Sage applied on the woodwork all the way around the sides. It's now dried. I've removed my plastic covering. The next stage is some lovely browning wax. It's a furniture wax. This is just going to be painted on. Let this penetrate in for about 30 minutes and then you can add a couple more layers. Now I'm a huge lover of applying wax to bare wood. 1, it protects it. 2, it makes it look fantastic. It really draws out the grain and brings that wood back to life. It's quick and easy to apply with a stiff paintbrush, and it gives a lovely soft sheen finish to it. The bar will get used outside at Nellie's school, however it will be stored inside of an evening time because furniture wax is purposely made for indoor use. Now that these are dry, I'll drop them off at the school just in time for the summer fair. If you're looking for more how-to videos, check us out on all social media handles and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel, Mr. and Mrs. DIY.